Good morning, Aminderji. How are you doing today?
Morning, morning, morning. Hello. Good, good. You tell.
All good, all
Absolutely.
good. Good to see you. How is Delhi treating you?
Oh, Delhi is absolutely. No one treats you. You have to treat yourself.
Yeah, yeah. Such words of wisdom can only come from a guru like you, Always a pleasure to talk to you.
Everyone needs to take care of themselves. No one is
Yeah.
going to come and help them in taking care. So you have to guide yourself and regarding everything. If a person is not taking care of himself, people expecting that some other person is going to come and come up with some solution about the things they are running with. No one is going to come out with anything. You have to come out with yourself.
Yes. Loving yourself. That is the first step towards happiness, I guess.
अगर खुद से प्यार नहीं है तो दूसरे कैसे प्यार करेंगे तुमसे?
ये थोड़ा मतलब धीरे धीरे समझ में आता है, लेकिन आता है सबको.
आजकल सब अपने से प्यार कर रहे हैं तभी तो घर के अंदर बैठे हुए हैं.
Exactly. You have to protect yourself. You have to take care of yourself. Now, lekin sir, since you are handling so many people online, and you're one of the leading trainers and so well known. I mean, और आपका knowledge is like so phenomenal. Abhi at this point, when we have to actually fight the COVID-19, सब घर में बैठे हुए हैं. What is your take on it, and how essential it is to work out in today's times?
You see, in any sense, a workout is essential in any sense, whether you are, you know, traveling or whether you are locked down or whatever the situation is. So people are, people. इससे पहले क्या हो रहा था? Before the lockdown, what was happening? People who used to go to the office, come back from the office, drive the car, do something. They used to go out to the places where the infections are quite high. Of course, they used to eat from chole bhatures from some outside ready and all that stuff used to come. They were doing all that stuff, and the body was fighting against that all against a body own immune system. And now what has come up, and immediately everything has been stuck down, and everyone is getting into the over prevention of the things, and that without the even exercise, and that is overall hampering the immune system of the body. What is going to happen? I'm telling you what is going to happen in this thing. Rather than people are getting into just avoiding everything and sitting out at home, not doing anything, the amount of exertion or a physical exertion which they used to do it by default by going to the office, coming back to the office, driving car for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, that's a basic drive length of a normal metropolitans. So if you're not doing all that stuff, it means you're sticking to at home. It means that journal by default activity which was happening before that thing, that has come down to a zero. And along with that thing, the eating habits now has increased so much because new ways of preparation at home has come up, and the new delicious food has been coming up in a daily basis to make the things happen because everyone is so well up. And because of this thing, there's a reversal which is happening. Rather than increasing the immune system of the body has actually started going and reversing the process, and the body immune system is dropping a lot. And immediately what is going to happen when the people are going to move out now with the low immunity, which was a good, better before, and now the small things are also going to attract everyone because the body system of immunity has gone so much low. So doing exercise or not avoiding exercise at this stage just because the gym has been stuck and people are thinking there is no other alternate of doing exercise is absolutely bullshit. There is no such thing as known as you can't work out without the gym. Gym is a luxury place where you can work out with a lot of variations and a lot of easiness. But it's not that you can't work out at home. You can do each and every workout which you do at the gym with the same intensity at home with your own body weight also. It's not a big deal. So you don't need equipments also to train your body and make yourself into exertion because the body is meant to create exertion. If physical exertion leads to mental peace. And if people are not doing the physical exertion, it means they're going to be spoiling their own health, dropping the immune system, more prone to catching up the diseases. This is going to be future, and if they don't take care of themselves at the current stage, it means the future next 3 months they move out, they get infected not because of this virus, maybe because of some other virus. They come back again, and again their life is again halt. So this is the time when they have to protect themselves by indulging in some exercises at home and keeping alive that immune system by not overprotecting themselves with the normal things also. घर में भी सब कुछ उसी घर में रह रहे हैं जहाँ पे पहले भी रह रहे थे, पर अब घर में ना over protection शुरू हो गई है, and because of that over protection the immune system is not even able to work nicely and create that antibiotics inside your body to actually take care of the system which is coming up, and that's spoiling the whole body.
Yeah. And if you see now, the kids mainly, summer vacations are going on. They are inside the four walls. They are not getting exposure to the sun. Unke bare mein, what do you want to say about the kids? How can we protect them? How to take care of them?
See, the kids and the old age goes hand to hand. So the both are going to be, getting the losses which is there, of course, is going to be with the kid and of course with the old age also. But the physical activity which they used to do it outside has totally stopped. Cycling has stopped, walking has stopped, playing has sports has been stopped. Everything has been on a halt. The body is again into the halt. It means the body is not creating any physical exertion at home. So it means it's going to be a very good idea for the parents to get into the touch and parents start doing some exercise, because the kids are going to follow the parents. Whatever the parents are going to do it, we have seen with so many videos now that the parents doing exercise and the kids actually trying to copy the parents doing the same exercises and following the footstep. So you can't just force a child to do the things which you are not doing it. So you can preach, but you can't preach it without doing it on yourself. You can't force a child to do the things which you are not doing.
Yeah.
And you don't need to force a child when actually you are doing in front of it. We have so many videos of that thing. We can show you the videos of all that kids doing exercises along with the parents without even forced. So you do it, the child copies it, and this is only the way of creating a healthy lifestyle at home, when you are going to actually guide your children how to do the exercises at home. Maybe you're dancing with them, you're doing some Zumba with them, maybe you're doing some exercises, bodyweight exercises with them. They're just going to copy whatever you're doing. But you can't just simply say, beta, exercise karo, thoda sa dance kar liya karo, and you by your side, you are actually enjoying a cold drink and a chips and watching a movie. A child is not going to do the same stuff. He's going to do what you are doing.
Yeah.
And exercise is available everywhere. That's not a point. If the school can continue with their education by online teaching, why can't a trainer do the same thing? What is happening?
Yeah.
Why they have been halted?
Yeah.
Why the gym people are being halted now at this time, and they are thinking of some solution outside to open the gym? Why not they start with their exercise solutions on telling that every trainer should be recruited with around 10 to 15 clients which was there in the gym, and start with some monitoring on online? Why are they waiting? What are they waiting for? I don't know. Every trainer, if there are 5 trainers in the gym and you have some 100 or 150 clientele, run him up, allot every trainer with 15 or 20 clients on a daily basis to train them at home.
So as an online trainer, do you have any suggestions or any pointers where the trainers can start with, or probably where the gyms can start with from?
See, we currently, because everyone is into panic, going out, even if the gym opens also, no one is going to turn up so easily. Everyone is in the fear. They are not going to interact, they are not going to come up so easily. So the current situation is that every personal trainer who is there in the gym, they already have the members with them already allotted. Why don't the membership continue? Why have that membership been halted? Immediately they should start with the online. The Zoom service has been already there. The video services is already there. They can just take a home class immediately. I'll give you one example. Suppose a person goes to the gym and he goes with a bench press and he does a bench press of somewhere around 50 to 60 kilos or a 70 kilos. And which he pushes while lying on a bench, and he does it to train the chest muscle. Now, when he comes home and if he is himself running with somewhere around 80 kilos of his own body weight, so in push-ups, 64% of your own total body weight comes to when you do a push-up, which is a replica of a flat bench press. The muscle doesn't know the joint, doesn't know the force being applied from what source. He is only going to adopt, he is only going to respond to the forces applied to that particular joint and the muscle attached to that particular joint to create momentum. So if you do a flat bench press along with that thing, if you do a push-ups with around 70 kilos and add apart 10 kilos of some bag on your backpack and do the same exercise, it is exactly same as a push-up. There is no difference. And there is no difference in doing also when you do a sitting chest press, because in sitting chest press, you might be doing a vertical, but still the force has been towards the gravity. It's always runs like this only. You are sitting down, but the direction of the force is being changed through the wires. It's not that the gravity is changed. You might be pushing like this, but it's not the gravity has changed. You have changed the direction of that thing through a pulley system, but the weight stack is moving up and down. So it is just that it is an easy way of doing the same exercise, but the same muscles are being used. So if you want that, yes, if you're running with suppose 10 kilos of your strength in a flat bench press, you can simply decrease the body weight by doing an exercise on some incline or some knee push-ups or starting with the wall push-ups by creating the decrement of the body weight, and automatically the forces are going to come less, but the same movement is going to be applied. So this is the movement which is going to be there. So there is no point discontinuing the exercise just because the luxury is being taken off from you, but you can do each and every exercise at home, because resistance is resistance. Who says that 10 kilos of an iron dumbbell is 10 kilos, but 10 kilos of a rice bag is something different? Or a 10 kilos of a bucket full of a water is different? How does that matter? Resistance is resistance. You can just use the way you wish to, but only the thing is, if you are willing, and if the trainer is actually willing to train the trainer, is he that much willing to change the performance of his client, or he's just worried about his money? Where is his passion about teaching? He should come out with the teaching. If he's so much willing to teach, and the trainers, the real trainers who actually, they want to teach a client, they've already started all that stuff. They're not waiting for anyone. They're on the run. This is the people who are not basically trainers. They are helpers. People have hired laborers in the gym. They're not trainers. Have you seen a teacher, helping a person fill up a bottle for him, fill up a bottle for him, उसके लिए shake बना रहा है, उसके लिए वे बना रहा है, उसके लिए गाड़ी से बैग उठा के लेके आ रहा है? What is this? Is he a trainer or a laborer? And it is a duty of the trainer to respect and get the respect himself. So a trainer needs to be shifted from a trainer to a teacher. And once he becomes a teacher, he is automatically going to come out with the solutions on any platform. Doesn't matter, gym closed doesn't mean your exercise is going to be halted and you can't do the exercise at home. You can do each and everything. And we've been doing. I'll tell you, in online training, we have covered this month is going to be our maximum entries till now. We will be doing the maximum entries of online training this month, which we have not done before.
Yeah. Good. Sir, one, like you just mentioned, पानी क्यों भरते हैं trainers, ये क्यों करते हैं, but I think हमारे यहाँ पे the mentality is like that he is a helper. So probably the members also treat them differently. It starts with members also to give them respect and to treat them like somebody is going to be of help to them. But like you rightly said, the respect खुद से ही आता है. You act like that, then you get respect. So I completely agree with that point. But वो थोड़ा balancing हमारे यहाँ थोड़ा off balance हो जाता है. That is what I've seen. I am paying you.
Has not taken the respect themselves.
Yeah.
They need to.
Yeah.
They need to. Giving assistance is something very different. If a client is doing some exercise and he needs an assistant from a trainer, that's a very different aspect of, that's a teaching part.
Yeah.
But not doing his work. I have seen trainers doing and delivering some stuff for the clients.
Yeah. वो exactly. So they have been asked to do, and फिर वो कहाँ फंस जाते हैं पता नहीं. But they have to start acting like I'm like वो respect वो knowledge से भी आता है sir. That you're so much knowledgeable कि तू मेरे से सिर्फ बात कर and I'll get the knowledge from you. We don't need you don't need to do anything else for me. मेरे को खाली you show me the forms, you talk to me, I will derive so much knowledge. I'll be grateful to you. बाकी कुछ पानी भरने की जरूरत नहीं है ना कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
That's how the teaching happens now. This is teaching. It is not training. The trainer, the client is going to train himself. You teach now.
Yeah. Okay. So, moving forward, any tips to people who want to start working out from home now? What basic things they need? मतलब क्या उनको तैयारी करनी चाहिए? इंजरी से कैसे बचना चाहिए?
All the basic tip which is going to be here is going to be they should get attached to their particular trainer who was there with them in the gym, and every trainer should get attached to their clients whoever they were training. Immediately they should do it immediately on the spot. They should pick up their phone. They should start dialing each and every member and start telling them that there's a session now. We are going to take a session all together and we're going to guide you how to do the exercise at home. The person who has not been to exercise ever, they should not start with these exercises all alone because it's going to be injurious. Because if you're training with your own body weight, and if your body weight is good enough to not even handle your own self, it means it is going to be far ahead of your own tolerance strength. So one has to be with the progression. So the progression, suppose I say of a flat bench press, the progression starts from a wall push-ups to a slightly incline, and this is where the body weight actually comes into play, and now total body weight is there with you to give you the momentum. Now we need to say how much is his strength at the current stage, and likewise all exercises of the back, of bicep, of even if you do a cardio, even if you're working out at home also, even if you're doing a jhadu pocha and all that stuff, it means that's going to increase the need. People need to understand, because the default version of the exercises which was happening before lockdown has been cut down to 0. So you need to move yourself a little bit by doing something. Maybe a step count is going to be increased. Maybe some 1 hour of a dancing class is going to be there. And along with a resistance training is must for everyone. So 1.5 hours of exercise at this stage. If you are able to take a good nutritional diet and the nutrition is available around you, go ahead and you can increase the intensity of your workout at home. But if you think that the nutrition is not available nearby you, there is a limited source of food, you should not force your body to create anything. It should be a maintenance phase exercises with very short intervals, and it should be with a low intensity. You should not force yourself for anything. It's a maintenance force for the people who don't have available source of the food nearby them. If the food is available, you have a rest period, nice, then you should force and continue with the performance, whatever it is going up at. But your trainer, get attached to your trainer. The trainer should get attached to their client and start teaching, start learning the exercises so that you are good enough to and independent enough to do the exercises all alone. जिसने exercise अपने आप gym में करते हैं ना, take my point. आज मैं एक point बोल रहा हूँ, वो ध्यान रखना. The guys who were training all alone in the gym before the lockdown are still continuing the exercise at home because they know how to do the exercise and create the alternate of that. But the members or a client who were totally dependent upon a trainer and they never knew anything about exercise, they are stuck at home to do nothing because they can't create any sort of an alternate because they have never understood exercise. So this is the time when you have to start understanding exercise so that you can create your own creativity at home by using bottles, buckets, school bags, cylinders, empty cylinders, of course, don't use the full cylinder. And anything, books, everything is available. You're living on Earth, and Earth means gravity. 1687 it was discovered, the law of gravity. Till now we know that everything on earth has a weight. Everything. This phone also has a weight, which is heavier for a child of who's one year, but it might be little light for some other person, but still has a resistance. So everything that in house has a resistance. Sofa, chair, bucket, everything is a size. But at this stage, the bucket goes absolutely very nice. So how? So if you see an empty bucket, it might be somewhere around 100 grams or 120 or 200 grams of a bucket empty. But you have that, willingness to fill that bucket with around 1 liter of water, 2 liter of water, 5 liter of water, 10 liter of water, 20 liter of water, which you can fill it as per your resistance power, and you can do so many exercises with that simple 2 buckets. You don't need machines. Machines are the easy and a comfortable way and a luxurious way of training yourself, but not the only way. If you are lifting your arm like this with a dumbbell or with some bucket full of water which you can resist along with, how does that arm know that it is a dumbbell or a bucket?
Yeah.
The arm doesn't know it. So this is at this crucial time. Please, everyone, don't stop exercises. Keep the exercises on. Get in touch with your trainers. Trainers should get in touch with their members and maintain the immunity. Don't let the immunity drop. Otherwise, it's going to be a disaster for everyone when they move out to after lockdown, and they're going to be more prone to diseases and infection because the immunity has dropped now.
Yeah. So the basic summary of discussion is that the gyms don't have to wait for the revenue stream to come up. They can start the online training. They have the clients. Trainers are already assigned to the clients. The members can take this help of these online services and start working out from home. Working out from home is equally beneficial than working in a comfortable gym or equipment.
I have made videos on all. If they want to go, they can go and check out the Team Uminder YouTube page. I have given all alternate exercises, how to train with your own body weight or with the home accessories. I am myself. I'll tell you myself.
Yes.
I have a full-fledged gym at my house. Full-fledged. It's a high-tech gym basically.
Mm-hmm.
But since the lockdown has started, I have promised myself that I will not touch the dumbbell or a plate or a rod or any plate during the time of the lockdown, and I will only train with my own body weight and with tubes and with bags and with buckets. Since the lockdown has started, I have not touched anything, and I promised everyone that I am only going to touch when you are going to start the exercise in the gym, and then I will start my gym operation. Otherwise, I will not touch the weights till now. I will go along with you. I will do the exercise along with you. I will create exercises for you how to do it. You just need to ask me. Ask me, I'll tell you the alternate, exactly replica of the exercise with the same intensity what you were doing in the gym. And you will say, this is tough. You will not say this is easy. So that's a promise.
Yeah.
So this is the time. How many schools have you seen? Alok, how many schools have you seen? They have cut down their fees at this time and halted their children that your fees is going to be halted. We are not going to. How many schools? Not a single school have halted their fees. The fees are on. Immediately what they have done, they have immediately started with the video services, and teachers have started teaching everyone through this. What is a big deal?
Yeah.
If they can teach, why can't you teach?
Right.
What is the issue? I don't have that. I'm not able to understand what is the issue. A Zoom can take 100 people at one time. Get into, if you can train 10 people at one time inside the gym, why can't you train over here? Just get into that of the video conferencing. It should be the duty of the owner of the gym to create this thing that it should be started allotting every 10-15 members to one trainer, and should give that allotment to that trainer so that the money flow of the trainer also keep on going. He should not be halted. Yeah. Why is being halted? Why are we blocking the fees? I have people ask me for this thing, my lockout down has been come up and I will not be able to continue because of this home. I will continue. Please block my membership. We don't do it. We haven't blocked even one membership for anyone also. We have a solution for that thing. Why will we shut down the things? We are ready to teach you all the things which is there at home with the available things. We are not going to shut down any of the fees. You are willing to train, do train. We are there to train you. We will not shut down the membership. Membership will keep on going. And there is no point shutting down the membership at this stage. Why? Every flow should happen. It's the duty of the owners now. Get in touch with all the trainers. If you have 10 trainers and you allot even 15 or 20 to every member, you cover 200 clients on a ease. What a big deal. The solutions are there. We are not working on that solutions. Who's going to give a guarantee even after opening the gyms? How many members are going to turn up and your turnover is going to be similar to of the break even of the monthly expenditures? Yeah. It's not going to happen. Even if they allow, there are going to be some 10 members, 15 members at one time, and it is going to be treated as again as a personal training studio only. It is not going to be running as a gym in which 100 people are training all together at one time. They are only going to allow 10 to 15 people, and that's similar to being a studio only. So if 12 people or 15 people you can train in a studio, you can train easily on that online video surfacing by training 15 people at one time, and just open the video and make sure that you are there for 2 to 3 hours. Whoever wants to walk in, he can walk in. Who finishes the exercise, he goes off. Yeah. You don't need to even tell that it is going to be available between 1 hour. You make the shift from 6 to 10 and you are available at this particular ID between 6 to 10. Whoever wishes to come at that particular time, get in. Who finishes the exercise, he goes out.
Though you are a personal trainer and an online trainer, but you are thinking more on the on the gym industry, you know, like.
Yeah, I'm a person who thinks the overall fitness industry should boom. So I don't want any trainers should be sacrificed for anything. I don't want any members to be sacrificed for anything. Yeah. Why are both of them sacrificed? Why are I have my so many mentors with me, so many trainers with me on online who is in my team, and none of the trainers is actually short of the income which they generate every month. We're still giving them the same thing. We are not short of anything. We are rather over being. We have to stop the membership just 1 month before because we are overboarded. So this is the time not to block anything. So the model is very, very simple, and you have to just simply take steps, and so that the money flow of all the trainers should continue. They should not be blocked. No member should be blocked. Membership should continue on the pace. The trainer should continue teaching, and the trainer should keep on getting the revenue whichever he gets it on a monthly basis, depending upon how many clients there. It's the duty of the gym owners to do it. If the client is not turning up, it's not the fault of a gym. They are on with that 6 to 10 duty of that thing on a webinar or on a video screening. If the member is not turning up, it's not the fault of a gym member. The membership continues.
Yeah, like you rightly said, if there is a will, there is a way. There are ways to crib about this. This is not going to work. You know, we cannot do it. And there are a million ways to say that this can be done and this is how it has to be done. So I think the later part will actually keep the industry moving. And, thank you for your insights. Dekhte hai how many people can actually, benefit from this. I hope a lot of the gym chains and all are watching this, and they take this seriously, and we move further in online training, business, and hope for the best.
Thank you so much, Alok, for making me come over here and giving my views on this thing.
Our pleasure, sir. Our pleasure. Absolutely, it is always a pleasure to talk to you because you're so motivating and so inspiring, and also passionate about your own fitness. That आपको देख के ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी डंबल कहाँ है. So
you will soon come up. You will see my own transformation also coming up just soon after the lockdown. So just to show that people that how a transformation can happen even if you're locked down and without the machine, how you can train it. I'm doing it on myself. So I do whatever on myself and then preach.
Yes, that's the way to
everyone will see. And this is one message to everyone, to all the gym owners out there in India. If anyone needs any assistance regarding anything to operate for their online and with the trainers, I am all there for them free of cost to help them at any cost. So there's not going to be any charge for our gym members regarding anything. I am there available for them to overcome these issues. Altogether, we are going to come out with it.
Thank you, sir. That's very nice of you, and thanks for taking off your time from your morning online session. I've stolen you from your members. You can
No, that's
get back.
all for you guys. You're doing a fantastic job, Alok, and promoting fitness at a higher level. So keep doing your job nicely.
Thank you, sir. I only wish our industry survives this and gets moving from here. And your insights are definitely going to help.
It's not about survival. I take my words. It's going to be the biggest service industry in India. It's going to be multiple folds booming up, coming up in next couple of years or something.
Good.
So it's going to be a booming. Next stage is coming up.
Good. So charged up after hearing that. You have a good day, sir. I'll talk to you soon.
So thank you so much and have a nice and wonderful journey ahead and take care of health, everyone.
Thank you.